हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू लर्निंग बेंच। आज हम देखने वाले हैं इंग्लिश में जनरल कन्वर्सेशन या फिर स्मॉल सेंटेंसेस। ये उनके लिए है जो इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं, जो बिगिनर्स हैं इंग्लिश लर्निंग में, या फिर ये नर्सरी, एलकेजी, यूकेजी के बच्चों को हम जब जनरल कन्वर्सेशन सिखाते हैं इंग्लिश में, तो उनके लिए ये सेंटेंसेस हैं। तो देखते हैं। क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं, हाउ आर यू। क्वेश्चन है हाउ आर यू। द आंसर में बी फर्स्ट, आई एम हैप्पी, मैं खुश हूं। आई एम फाइन, मैं ठीक हूं। और आई एम सैड, मैं दुखी हूं। आई एम स्लीपी, मुझे नींद आ रही है। आई एम एंग्री, मैं गुस्सा हूं। आई एम ग्रेट, मैं बहुत अच्छा हूं। मैं हाउ आर यू के ये सारे आंसर्स हो सकते हैं। व्हेन समवन आस्क यू हाउ आर यू, यू कैन गिव एनी ऑफ दिस आंसर। आई एम हैप्पी, आई एम फाइन, आई एम सैड, आई एम एंग्री, आई एम स्लीपी, आई एम ग्रेट, इस तरीके से। जो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन हम देखेंगे जनरल कन्वर्सेशन का, बच्चों से अगर कोई क्वेश्चन करता है, व्हाट टॉय डू यू हैव, आपके पास कौन सा खिलौना है। दे कैन से आई हैव अ रोबोट, और आई हैव अ डॉल, और आई हैव अ टेडी बियर, आई हैव अ बॉल, आई हैव अ यो-यो, I have a kite। इसी तरह के छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जिनके आंसर्स हम बताते हैं। इस तरीके से स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश पे हम काम करते हैं। नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट्स इन योर स्कूल बैग। I have a book. I have a pencil case. I have a pencil case. I have a pencil. I have a pen. I have an eraser. I have a ruler. I have a notebook. This may be a question. What's in your school bag? The next question may be, what color do you like? So there are many colors, और हम colors के नाम सिखाते हैं बच्चों को। तो हम पूछते हैं, what color do you like? I like pink. Or we can say, I like pink color. I like blue. I like red. I like orange. I like black. I like brown. In this way. जब हम शेप्स सिखाते हैं बच्चों को, हम क्वेश्चन करते हैं, what can you draw? And the child will say different shapes name. I can draw a square. I can draw a triangle. I can draw a circle. I can draw an oval. I can draw a heart. I can draw a diamond. So these are all shapes. What kind of shapes? Square, a triangle, a circle, an oval, a heart, and diamond. These are all shapes. नेक्स्ट हम क्वेश्चन करते हैं जब हम उन्हें फूड से इंट्रोड्यूस कराते हैं. What food do you like? What food do you like? The child can say, I like pizza. I like rice. I like cake. I like eggs. Or I like ice cream. Whichever is your favorite food, you can say that I like so and so. The next question may be, what do you want to drink? I want milk. Answer may be, I want milk. I want water. I want juice. I want tea, or I want coffee. What fruit do you like? The question is, what fruit do you like? So one can say, I like apples, or I like bananas. I like oranges. I like peaches. I like pears, I like grapes, and so on. In this way, what vegetables do you like? The answer may be, I like carrots, I like cucumbers, I like potatoes, I like ladyfinger. So one has to know the names of vegetables. The link is in the description box. You can see fruits and vegetables name also on the same channel, Learning Bench. The next question may be, what pet do you want? One can say, I want a cat, I want a puppy, I want a turtle, or I want a parrot. The next question is about family and family members. Who is in your family? This is my grandpa, this is my grandma, this is my father, this is my mother, this is my sister. So who all are in your family? You can say, in my family, I have grandpa, grandma, father, mother, and sister. About the days. The question may be regarding the days of the week. What day is it today? It's Monday. Or it's Tuesday. It's Sunday. Weekdays name also. The link is in description box. How is the weather? The question is regarding the weather. It's sunny. It's rainy. It's windy. It's snowy. It's hot. Or it's cold. अगर धूप निकली हुई है हम बोलते हैं इट्स सनी डे. बारिश हो रही है हम कहते हैं इट्स रेनी डे. हवा चल रही है हम कहते हैं इट्स विंडी. अगर बर्फ गिर रही है हम कहते हैं इट्स स्नोई. अगर गर्मी है तो हम कहते हैं इट्स हॉट डे. अगर ठंड है तो हम कहते हैं इट्स कोल्ड. इस तरीके से हम वेदर बताते हैं. वैसे ही सीजन के बारे में. What's your favorite season? Season may be, we can say, I like spring, or I like summer, I like fall, or I like winter. Now the question is regarding month. When is your birthday? We can say it's in January, or it's in February, it's in March or April or May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So there are 12 months and you have to remember all the names of the month. This is regarding the clothes. This question is regarding clothes. The question may be, what are you wearing? We can say, I am wearing t-shirt, I am wearing sandals, I am wearing skirt, I am wearing dress, I am wearing jeans, I am wearing jacket, I am wearing sweater. Or whatever dress you are wearing, you can say that. The next question may be regarding the time. One can ask, what is the time? So one may answer, it's 1 o'clock, or it's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or 12 o'clock. How do you go to school? The question may be regarding the transport. How do you go to school? So one can say, I go to school by bus. I go to school by car. I go to school by bicycle. I go to school by train. I go to school on foot. That means I go to school walking. Walk करके जाते हैं तो कहते हैं I am going on foot. And this may be regarding the community helpers. Community helpers का भी वीडियो डाला हुआ है, तो आप चेकआउट कर सकते हैं. The question may be, what do you want to be, or what do you want to become? So the answer will be, I want to be a teacher. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a nurse. I want to be a singer. I want to be a dancer, or I want to be a scientist, or anyone who you want to be. In the similar way, the question may be regarding farm animals or domestic animals. The question will be, what farm animals or domestic animal do you like? So one can say, I like ducks, I like cows, I like cats, I like pigs, I like horses, I like sheep. Or the question may be regarding wild animals also. So what wild animal do you like? I like lions, I like monkeys, I like elephants, I like tigers, or I like zebras. So these are the general conversations, or you can say EVS questions. Why EVS? Because here the child is learning wild animals names, domestic animals names, month's name, transport names, community helpers names. So different videos are also there regarding each of the EVS subject. You can check out in the channel link. Thank you for watching.